Need to temporarily deactivate your TikTok on your iPhone? Well, no worries. In this advanced video, I'll show you how to temporarily deactivate a TikTok account. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive into the action. First, open up the TikTok app. Then tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three lines icon from the top right corner. Now tap Settings and Privacy. After that, tap Accounts. Now look below. Tap on Deactivate or Delete Accounts. Next, tap Deactivate Account. Now finally, tap Deactivate. TikTok will send you a verification to the phone number or email address. Just enter the code here. After the deactivation, you can reactivate this account anytime, and you can recover all your content using the same login details. And that's all, guys. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And if you have anything to ask, then let me know in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.